From Sir Bons Magsumbol of Rappler pala po. He's asking for your reaction based on a DBM COA joint circular. OVP and DepEd violated a rule on confidential funds when you allowed security officers to handle them instead of special dispersing officers. Reaction
Yes.
po.
No, I will not comment on the assessment of the person asking the question. Ano pangalan niya?
Bons Magsumbol of Rappler.
Oo. I will not answer a question na si Bons Magsupol ang nagsabi na there is a violation of the JMC. I will only answer kung nagsabi ang COA if there is a violation of the JMC. Hindi COA si Bons Magrapol, hindi siya COA. So hindi siya dapat ang nagsasabi na merong violation ng JMC. Na sinasabi ko din, hindi ang congressman ang nagsasabi na merong violation ang Office of the Vice President sa confidential funds. COA lang na trabaho yan.